In this video, I'm going to show you how to wear multiple face accessories at once in Roblox. So first, click on the top left three lines here to open it, and then click on Avatar. And then over here, you'll see all your items. Select Accessories, and then go down until you see Face, click on it. And if we try to select other accessories here, as you can see, it's gonna get overridden. So the only way is to use this advanced option. So when you click on this, you'll see asset IDs. This is what the ID of the accessory that you are wearing, and you can add up to 10, as you can see. So let's go ahead and add these two extra accessories so we can wear them at once. So just open them in a new tab by clicking on the middle mouse button, or you can right click and then open like a new tab. So now click on one of them and then copy this ID which you see right here. You can double click on it to select it, and then go back here, go to the advanced tab, and then put that asset ID right here. Doesn't matter where, just as long as you put it. And then go back to the other one. Let's copy that, paste it here, and now click save. Let's save it and cancel. As you can see, we selected all of those, and now we're wearing all these accessories. You can also do this with head accessories. So let's clear these accessories that we put here. Save that and cancel. Let's just equip this one. And actually, let's not equip anything. Let's go to head. And for the head accessories, as you can see, we can select up to 3 head accessories, as it says here, and we can choose them without having to use the advanced option down here. We can just select whatever you want. So if I want this mouth head and this handsome head as well, as you can see, it just gets selected easily just like that. So maybe I can merge all these heads together, and as you can see, we have an interesting look here we have. So yeah, that's how you can do this in Roblox for head accessories and face accessories. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.